Today, I'm going to tell you how to create high quality videos from beginning to end. It's very similar to my photography series about going from beginner to pro, and I'm going to tell you a very few steps on how to do it and certain things you might need along the way. The first step is you want to find out what you're interested in and what your niche is for creating videos. So if you have an interest in photography, for example, you can create videos on like aperture, ISO, editing, stuff like that. That's really important that people would really like to know about, and stuff, especially if people are beginners. So figuring out what works for you and what you're interested in and what you can talk well on or entertain people on or something like that is really important, because that's what people relate to the most. Number two is doing research. And what I mean by that is going to other people's videos and figuring out how do they say something, or how do they do this, or, or looking up articles or social media posts or certain things where it kind of gives you an idea of what you can create in terms of points, in terms of a whole story, in terms of a video, stuff like that. So having research really well done is something that will create a high quality video and will give you a lot of credibility and value to your audience as well in your videos. Before we continue on with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. Anyway, let's get right back into the video. One way to do research as well is also finding browser extensions that are really good for creating ideas or giving you ideas based on what you search and how it kind of predicts it with AI. So one I know for sure is vidIQ, because I really wanted to say that it's helped me. It helped me create some ideas for some videos, and it's something that will really help you get ideas when you're just, not sure what to make videos on as well. So the third thing I want to say is create your own style and create your own input. So having the research and stuff is all really good, but you don't want to be a copycat, because what's the point of being a copycat and having no real sense of identity or real sense as a creator? You always want to have a certain style or certain way of doing things, because that's what differentiates you, and that's what people are going to gravitate towards, and that's what people are going to be interested in. So having a certain creative way to do it and a certain way of just doing things, it's really important to show as a creator as well. For example, if I'm making photography videos, why am I different? There's thousands of people who are making videos about photography, about how to edit, how to do certain things. Why am I different? So having a certain way of showing people you're creative, you have a different way, and maybe something you're more genuine about, maybe you're not editing as much, something like that. There's different ways to do it. It's really something that people gravitate towards, and something that's also worked for me personally. You've seen some of my videos as well. You always want to have something transformative and not copycat. So if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, because I'm going to make a lot of these videos on how to go from beginning to end, beginner to pro, certain things. I really want to be along for the journey, and I really would love to hear from you all as well. If you have social media, Instagram or TikTok or anything else, feel free to hit me up and also tell me some ideas or certain things that you might like. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.